this is your girl Mizuki and welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is your girl Mizuki and welcome back to my channel. So today is a sketch Monday, but I'm not going to be doing a sketch today. I'm going to actually be skipping that, and I wanted to show you guys what is the best art supplies for beginners. So let's get to this video. Art supply that I'm going to be showing you guys is something really basic, something that all artists should have. Is definitely a sketchbook. You definitely need something to start sketching your ideas on, or any doodles that you think you might want to work on. This is the best thing you need to do. Obviously, you don't want to get something this expensive. I know this one ranges in about like 11 to 17 bucks. It depends on the size. But if you do have the budget, definitely get something like this, good quality paper. But if not, you can always go to Michael's and get one for $5 or $6. It doesn't really make a difference as long as it has pages. The next item I'm going to be showing you is Staedtler's 19 set pencils. So instead of grabbing one pencil to do all your shading with, you can actually have all these. Now these come with different tips and shades. So obviously this one has from darkest to the lightest. So this is basically something really good for beginners if you're an artist, and I would definitely recommend these. These are really great. Item I'm going to be showing you, obviously if you're going to get the set of pencils, you definitely want to get a sharpener, you know, something that would help you sharpen your pencils. After that, the next item, you know, none of these pencils come with erasers, so I definitely would get a kneaded eraser. This is one that's not used, this one that's used. The reason why I like these so much, because they're first of all cheaper than most erasers. Now these actually don't make a mess, so if you do erase your mistakes, they don't give that extra little eraser, little white little thingies. I don't even know what they're called, but they don't make a mess. Last thing is that I would definitely recommend to start out as a beginner. Now you got your pencils, you got your eraser, you got your sharpener, and you got your sketchbook. Now you say if you need to outline it in a marker, definitely you want to get a set of linear markers. So obviously I'm going to show you guys, this is one of my favorite ones here, and these are the Neo Pico markers. These are linear markers, so my set has 10. And they all have different tips, so it can be from the thinnest tip all the way to the thickest tip. So definitely you want something like that for beginners if you want to sketch and outline your masterpiece. So I definitely would recommend something like this. It doesn't have to be physically Neo Pico, but there's a lot of cheaper versions of these and you can buy them. I hope you guys like this video. I hope if you are an artist that's just beginning, I hope this helps you out in your journey to success. Don't forget to like and comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Also follow the rest of my social media over here to witness other awesome cool art that I actually produce every day. I do post on my Instagram every day on little doodles that I do throughout the days. So yeah, that's it. Zuki out.